The benefits of baking soda and pineapple juice for arthritis and more. 1. Pineapple contains a delicious bright yellow flesh which is often eaten in the summer as it is refreshing and delicious. Baking soda is often used in cooking to make cakes rise while they are baking, but was also used by ancient cultures as a natural medicine. 2. When these ingredients are mixed together to create a special juice, they can be used to help treat arthritis and muscular pain in both men and women. 3. Arthritis is a common condition where the joints of the body become painful and inflamed. This affects many people, especially as they get older. 4. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. This is very healthy for the human body as it reduces swelling in the joints and gets rid of water retention. Pineapple juice has been traditionally used to tenderize meat, as the bromelain within the juice soothes and relaxes tense muscles and connective tissue. 5. Baking soda has also been shown in lab studies to have a powerful effect on the body's immune system. Rheumatoid arthritis is caused when the body attacks its own cells. The baking soda tells the spleen to slow this attack. It also aids digestion, gets rid of acid reflux, and lowers inflammation. 6. Drinking a mixture of these two wonderfully healthy ingredients in the form of a juice will not only ease arthritis pain, but will also trigger some fantastic health benefits in your body. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 pineapple, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, ice cubes. Method: remove the hard skin and top of the pineapple using a sharp knife. Then slice the fruit into cubes. Do not remove the core of the pineapple for this recipe as it contains extra bromelain and nutrients which are important. Place the pineapple in a blender or juicer and process until smooth. Use a sieve to remove the fibers and you will be left with a fresh juice full of enzymes. Pour this into a large jug, which has plenty of space at the top as the baking soda causes a fizz which can leak over the edges. Add the baking soda and stir well. This will give the pineapple drink a natural fizziness or soda-like effect. Be sure to add ice cubes to cool this wonderful juice. Drink this early in the morning, at least an hour before meals. You can drink this every single day if you wish. It is absolutely delicious and is the perfect healthy breakfast. This drink helps to hydrate the body whilst adding lots of vitamins and minerals to your daily regimen. 8. The bromelain combined with the baking soda will lower inflammation throughout the body and boost your digestion throughout the day. This will cause your body to absorb more healthy nutrients from any foods that you eat. 9. If you prefer, you can purchase bromelain in capsule form and simply drink a glass of baking soda water every day. This can be easier than juicing pineapples every day, but you will miss out on the delicious flavour. 10. In 2 to 3 days you will notice that you have less joint pain as the anti-inflammatory effects of the baking soda and pineapple juice begins to kick in. Inflammation in the joints and muscles will be reduced considerably. Over longer periods of time you will notice more energy and vitality. 11. This drink is also extremely healthy for the gut and can treat and get rid of heartburn, Helicobacter pylori infections, constipation, ulcerative colitis, and inflammatory bowel disease. Long term, these ingredients have been shown to reduce the risk of colon cancer and Crohn's disease. 12. This drink is excellent to drink after surgery as it works as a natural pain relief. This is an excellent alternative to medications such as aspirin or ibuprofen. It works particularly well for patients who have had teeth removed. 13. To learn more about the many health benefits of pineapple and baking soda, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.